ChatTab is a native software developed for Mac users and driven by ChatGPT. You can use ChatTab like Spotlight. Use the Option plus space shortcut key to display the ChatTab dialog window, which can be displayed on any window and available on call. Click on the blank space or other windows. It will be hidden. After the window is displayed, you can ask any questions. For example, we ask about Oscar winners. You can see that the response data is transmitted using streaming data and displayed through Markdown. When you need to start a new conversation, just click the plus button in the upper right corner to create a new conversation page. Then let it write a piece of code. The code will be highlighted. Click the copy button to copy the code to the clipboard. If you are not satisfied with the generated content, you can also click the bottom model selection button to switch between different ChatGPT models at any time, and then click the regenerate button to regenerate the content. With the increase of conversation tabs, you need to close some unwanted ones. Just click the close button next to it. Don't worry, we will save your conversation content locally at any time. You can click the history button in the lower right corner to view the history and continue the conversation. If you need to customize the output of the message, for example, if you want ChatGPT to act as a translator, doctor, writing assistant, programming assistant, etc., you can customize it in the following way. Click the three dots button in the upper right corner, and you can find that there are many definitions. Click New. For example, I want it to play the role of a doctor. Name it as a doctor. Select the icon and fill in the prompt you prepared. After the addition is complete, return to the dialog page. Click the three-dot button again at this time. Click on the doctor, and a conversation window will be created at this time. We can ask him. At this time, the message under this window is customized, and he will answer your medical knowledge. One more thing regarding privacy issues. Your ChatGPT API key is stored through Apple's keychain, and your customized prompt is synchronized through Apple's iCloud. We don't have any log analysis, so you don't need to worry about privacy security issues. That's almost everything about ChatTab. It's very simple. Give it a try.